The concepts covered are: plane figures, regular closed figure, perimeter area. Plane figures. The closed 2D shapes are referred to as plane figures. Here C is the boundary of the above figure and the area inside the boundary is the region of this figure. Point D comes in the area of the given figure. Perimeter. If we go around the figure along its boundary to form a closed figure, then the distance covered is the perimeter of that figure. Hence the perimeter refers to the length of the boundary of a closed figure. If a figure is made up of line segments only, then we can find its perimeter by adding the length of all the sides of the given figure. Example. Find the perimeter of the given figure. Solution. Perimeter equals sum of all the sides. Equals 12 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 10 plus 3 plus 15 plus 12. Equals 68 meters. The perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle is a closed figure with two pairs of equal opposite sides. Perimeter of a rectangle equals sum of all sides. Equals length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Thus, perimeter of a rectangle equals 2 times length plus breadth. Example 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular swimming pool are 16 and 12 meters respectively. Find the perimeter of the pool. Solution. Perimeter of a rectangle equals 2 times length plus breadth. Perimeter of the pool equals 2 times 16 plus 12. Equals 2 times 28. Equals 56 meters. Example 2. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular farm of length 24 meters and breadth 18 meters at 1 meter. Solution. Perimeter of the rectangle equals 2 times length plus breadth. Perimeter of the farm equals 2 times 24 plus 18. Equals 2 times 42. Equals 84 meter. Cost of fencing equals 84 times 8. Equals 672 rupees. Thus the cost of fencing the farm is regular closed figure. Figures with equal length of sides and an equal measure of angles are known as regular closed figures or regular polygon. Perimeter of regular polygon equals number of sides times length of one side. Perimeter of square. Square is a regular polygon with 4 equal sides. Perimeter of square equals side plus side plus side plus side. Thus, perimeter of a square equals 4 times length of a side. Example. Find the perimeter of a square having side length 25 centimeters. Solution. Perimeter of a square equals 4 times length of a side. Perimeter of square equals 4 times 25. Equals 100 centimeters. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with 3 equal sides and angles. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equals 3 times length of its side. Example. Find the perimeter of a triangle having each side length 13 centimeters. Solution. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equals 3 times length of a side. Perimeter of triangle equals 3 times 13 equals 39 centimeters. Perimeter of a regular pentagon. A regular pentagon is a polygon with 5 equal sides and angles. Perimeter of a regular pentagon equals 5 times length of one side. Example. Find the perimeter of a pentagon having side length 9 centimeters. Solution. Perimeter of a regular pentagon equals 5 times length of one side. Perimeter of a regular pentagon equals 5 times 9 equals 45 centimeters. Perimeter of a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon is a polygon with 6 equal sides and angles. Perimeter of a regular hexagon equals 6 times length of one side. Example. Find the perimeter of a hexagon having side length 15 centimeters. Solution: perimeter of a regular hexagon equals 6 times length of one side. Perimeter of a regular hexagon equals 6 times 15 equals 90 centimeters. Perimeter of a regular octagon. A regular octagon is a polygon with 8 equal sides and angles. Perimeter of a regular octagon equals 8 times length of one side. Example: find the perimeter of an octagon having side length 7 centimeters. Solution: perimeter of a regular octagon equals 8 times length of one side. Perimeter of a regular octagon equals 8 times 7 equals 56 centimeters. Area refers to the surface enclosed by a closed figure. To find the area of any irregular closed figure, we can put them on a graph paper with a square of 1 cm times 1 cm, then estimate the area of that figure by counting the area of the squares covered by the figure. Here 1 square is taken as 1 square unit. Example: find the area of the given figure. 1 square equals 1 meter square. Solution: the given figure is made up of line segments and is covered with some full squares and some half squares. Full squares in figure equals 32. Half squares in figure equals 21. Area covered by full squares equals 32 times 1 square unit equals 32 square unit. Area covered by half squares equals 21 times 1 by 2 square unit equals 10.5 square unit. Total area covered by figure equals 32 plus 10.5 equals 42.5 square unit. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle equals length times breadth. Example: find the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 20 cm and 12 cm respectively. Solution: length of the rectangle equals 20 cm. Breadth of the rectangle equals 12 cm. Area of the rectangle equals length times breadth equals 20 cm times 12 cm equals 240 square centimeters. To find the length of a rectangle if breadth and area are given. Example: what will be the length of the rectangle if its breadth is 6 meters and the area is 48 square meters? Solution: length equals 48/6 equals 8 meters. To find the breadth of the rectangle if length and area are given. Example: what will be the breadth of the rectangle if its length is 8 meters and the area is 81 south square meter? Solution: breadth equals 81/8 equals 9 meters. Area of a square. Area of a square is the region covered by the boundary of a square. Area of a square equals side times side. Example: calculate the area of a square of side 13 centimeters. Solution: area of a square equals side times side equals 13 times 13 equals 169 centimeters square.